Hi, I'm Tommy with BuyTwoWayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. The Wouxun KG-805 Series radios sport an Autolock feature. Autolock is a setting that automatically locks the keypad of your radio after a certain period of inactivity. The purpose of Autolock is to prevent an accidental key press when the radio is being carried, such as when it's on the user's hip or if it's used by unauthorized individuals. To enable Autolock, press Menu and go to the Autolock menu item. This is menu item 11. Choose On, then press Menu to enter the option. Press the Exit button to exit the menu. Autolock is now enabled. When enabled, the keypad will automatically lock after 15 seconds of inactivity. Unlocking the keypad is simple. Just press and hold the Exit button for about 2 to 3 seconds. The keypad will unlock and then act as normal. This is the same method of unlocking used when the keypad is manually locked by the Exit button. The Autolock feature works on all the KG-805 series radios, including the KG-805G, KG-805F, and KG-805M. If you have any questions or want to know more about the Wouxun KG-805 Series two-way radios, give us a call, email, or hit us up in our online chat at BuyTwoWayRadios.com. I'm Tommy with BuyTwoWayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. Class dismissed.